Aging is a journey we all embark on, but wouldn't it be wonderful if that journey could be slower, smoother, and healthier? While there's no magic potion for eternal youth, nature does offer a few powerful allies, and green tea may be one of the best. This ancient beverage has captured global attention not just for its calming aroma and gentle bitterness, but also for its remarkable health benefits. At the heart of green tea's anti-aging reputation lies a compound called EGCG, short for epigallocatechin gallate, a name that's complicated to say but increasingly recognized as a key player in the science of longevity. So, what exactly can EGCG do for you, and how might it help you age with strength and grace? Let's dive in. EGCG is a type of catechin, a class of polyphenols found abundantly in green tea leaves. It's the most active and well-studied antioxidant in green tea and accounts for many of its therapeutic effects. Antioxidants like EGCG protect your cells from oxidative stress, a biological form of rusting caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that damage DNA, proteins, and cell membranes. Over time, this oxidative damage contributes to inflammation, disease, and aging. Think of EGCG as a molecular bodyguard that shields your cells from wear and tear. But EGCG doesn't stop there. It seems to influence multiple pathways in the body, many of which are directly connected to aging and age-related diseases. These include inflammation, metabolism, brain health, skin integrity, and even longevity pathways like AMPK and mTOR, which are crucial regulators of how cells grow, repair, and recycle themselves. One of the most consistent findings in aging research is that chronic inflammation, sometimes called inflammaging, plays a central role in diseases like heart disease, Alzheimer's, diabetes, and arthritis. EGCG appears to be a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse. It blocks inflammatory signals at the molecular level, reducing the production of damaging cytokines and enzymes that wear down tissues over time. In a way, EGCG helps the body shift from a state of silent fire to one of calm regulation. It may not put out every flame, but it certainly reduces the heat. The brain is particularly vulnerable to oxidative damage because it's highly active and loaded with fatty acids that are easy targets for free radicals. This makes neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's more likely as we age. Interestingly, EGCG can cross the blood-brain barrier, a protective shield that keeps most molecules out of the brain, and exert protective effects on neurons. Studies have shown that EGCG helps preserve brain plasticity and memory by enhancing mitochondrial function and reducing protein misfolding, two factors linked to cognitive decline. In animal models, it has improved learning and reduced the buildup of amyloid plaques, a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. While human studies are still ongoing, the signs are promising. Drinking green tea may be one of the simplest ways to protect your brain as you grow older. Your heart and blood vessels also benefit from the green tea glow. EGCG helps improve endothelial function, the lining of blood vessels, reduce LDL cholesterol oxidation, and lower blood pressure. These effects combine to support smoother circulation and a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease, the #1 cause of death worldwide. But EGCG doesn't just protect against disease. It may actually promote longevity. Research in organisms from yeast to mice has shown that EGCG can mimic the effects of caloric restriction, a proven method of extending lifespan in many species. This is done through the activation of longevity pathways like AMPK, which boosts energy metabolism, and encourages cells to clean up damaged components through a process called autophagy. While we don't have definitive lifespan extension data in humans yet, these pathways are highly conserved across species, meaning they work similarly in us. The skin is often the first place we notice the signs of aging: wrinkles, sagging, dullness, and sunspots. While no cream can stop the clock, EGCG may help turn it back a little. It protects skin cells from UV damage, which is one of the biggest external accelerators of skin aging. It also stimulates collagen production, reduces inflammation, and fights glycation, a process that stiffens and ages skin proteins. Topical creams containing EGCG are gaining popularity for their ability to soothe redness, improve elasticity, and enhance overall skin tone. But even drinking green tea regularly can provide protective effects from within, like an edible skincare routine. Aging often brings with it a sluggish metabolism, increased belly fat, and a higher risk of insulin resistance. EGCG has been shown to support healthy metabolic function by increasing fat oxidation, especially during exercise, improving insulin sensitivity, and regulating blood sugar levels. It may also help inhibit the formation of new fat cells. This doesn't mean EGCG is a magic fat burner, but in the context of a healthy diet and lifestyle, it can be a powerful ally for maintaining a leaner, more balanced body composition as you age. Most of the studies showing health benefits of EGCG use the equivalent of 3 to 5 cups of green tea per day. Each cup contains about 50 to 100 milligrams of EGCG, depending on the type of tea and brewing time. Matcha, a powdered form of green tea, typically contains higher levels, since you consume the whole leaf. If you're not a fan of the taste or want a more concentrated form, EGCG is also available in supplement form. However, it's important to note that high doses of EGCG in supplement form can be toxic to the liver, especially when taken on an empty stomach. Always consult your doctor before beginning any supplement regimen. In a world obsessed with anti-aging products, green tea stands out not because it's trendy, but because it's timeless. It has been sipped for centuries in cultures known for their longevity, like Japan and China, and modern science is now catching up to its secrets. EGCG is not a fountain of youth in a cup, but it comes surprisingly close. By supporting your brain, heart, skin, metabolism, and cellular health, EGCG acts as a gentle but persistent guardian against the wear and tear of time. And unlike many interventions, it's affordable, accessible, and rooted in everyday ritual. So the next time you pour yourself a cup of green tea, remember, you're not just enjoying a warm, soothing drink. You're making a small investment in a longer, healthier life. Bottoms up to aging well. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and drop a comment below. I'd really enjoy hearing what you think. Thanks for watching.